The Israeli military on Friday, October 27, 2023 said its troops supported by fighter jets and drones carried out another attack on Gaza. The attack targeted positions thought to belong to Hamas on the outskirts of Gaza City. The Israeli military said that the attack was preparation for war ahead of the expected land invasion will happen soon. Footage of explosion after explosion caused by bombs launched by planes, aka Israeli fighter jets, is widely circulating on Telegram. It is stated in the uploaded statement that more than 100 Israeli Air Force planes carried out massive attacks on residential areas in the Gaza Strip. Buildings and residents' homes were also reported to have been affected by Israeli attacks. The recording also received various comments from netizens.